3, 2, 1.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jason. Today we're going to make guacamole. Guacamole. Always wash your vegetables. Get your avocados. Get them all in there. Get in there. Really, the only utensil you need is a knife. Guac's gonna go in here, right there. Yeah, avocado's usually a good place to start. Main ingredient. Oh no. Okay, this is actually a good knife. Like, some places I've stayed in have had really crappy knives, but this knife actually works. Oh, it's beautiful. The twist. Twist. Oh, it's good magic. Perfect. Guac hands. If you roll the lime first, it makes it easier to get the juice out. Yeah, it just softens it up. Stay. Tomato. Don't need that. Never said I was a professional. Let's just add this. Squeeze some lime in there. I'm making guacamole.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, onion. I'm just going red onion, full on red onion. Chop. I have roommates right now, so if you hear people talking in the background, that's what that is. There's a cat. Hello. This does not have to do with anything.
I'm a cat on a burger.
Oh, cut up the onion. Oh man, I do love onions. This isn't the right knife for this. Oh man. Onions. Get in there. Okay, take your garlic clove. Down on the garlic. Should just peel right off, like that. Get the ends off. So yeah, let's get some salt up in here. Get like a nice garlic paste. Cilantro. And remove the stems. And I think that's it. I don't know. Oh yeah, I gotta stir it. Oh jeez. Plastic spoon. Actually, the spatula works pretty good. And the last things you need, chips. You need chips. Oops. That's pretty good. I forgot one key ingredient. These guys smell spicy. Woo. The aftermath.
Do I talk or do I just eat?
I don't know. Do whatever.
do whatever I want. I
Yeah,
feel
do
like
whatever you
that's-
want. Yeah,
Can I lick the bowl?
if you want.
Really? You're giving me too
It's
many
a rather,
options.
it's a rather large bowl, but. It gets an okay sign. All right, so that's how you make guac in Mexico, and and this is Matt DePasso. Subscribe to his channel, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I don't know.
No one knows I have a channel.
I know nobody knows I have a channel.